Yo, what's going on guys, Games Good here, back with another video. I did just wake up because I just got an amazing delivery. I got my first part to the PC I'm building this year, somewhere close to the end of this year, either September or November. But holy fuck, the box is huge. Alright, let's get cracking it open, I suppose. Yeah, this box is huge. Alright, let me just quickly grab the knife and open this. Holy smokes, I was not expecting this box to be like this big. I need a bigger knife. Yeah, I just woke up. I need this video. I need to open this right now. So that's why I'm recording it basically straight away. I need to different knife. Pretty fucked up, to be honest. Can't get through the fucking tape. Holy smokes. This box is huge. Jesus. Just have a look at this. This box is humongous. Jesus, shut up, computer. Right, I'm going to try and somehow get it out of here now. Well. Got a little box with some stuff. I'll go through that in a bit. We have a manual. Right, I think the best way to get this out, because it has these little straps like this. Right. I might need some help. Right, let me get this out real quick. I'll be right back. Holy smokes, that was a heavy task to do. Yeah, I went with the black case because I'm going with a old black build. It's so much bigger in person than it is on videos. It looks really good though. I'm going to show you how the side panels come off. I don't know if you guys know how, but it's not like any ordinary case where it's screws. I'll show you right now. So at the back there's this little button here, and you push that and the side panel just dangles there. All you have to do is just pick it up. I'm going to do it with two hands, so I'll be right back. It's such a good looking case, and we've got some Asus fans. My cat's here, hi. But yeah, right, I think that's the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This case is humongous. But that's with me, Games Good over and out.